Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create group on Facebook. To create group on Facebook, first you have to make sure that you are logged into the application either through the website or the application. Then in the home page, tap on the menu icon located on the top right. Here, tap on groups. Now tap on the plus icon located on the top right. Here you have to enter your group name as you prefer. Then choose your privacy. It may be public or private. Here I'm gonna select private and then tap on done. After this, you can add a profile picture for the group by tapping on the camera icon right here. Then you have to tap on upload a photo and select a photo for that. Here I'm not gonna select any photo, so just tap on create. And that's it. Your group has been created successfully. Then tap on done. And now you can add description to your group. You can also create posts here and then tap on done. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.